This is how I installed my Brother printer scanner on my Windows 10 PC today. I have a Brother MFC 8860DN. It's both a printer and a scanner. So I have Windows 10. Google, download Brother MFC 8860DN. Search, and then the first link took me to the Brother website with downloads. And they have options for multiple operating systems, Windows 10, 8, and 7. So when I selected Windows 10 64-bit, it said it had a built-in driver, which means there's nothing to download from the Brother website. I have to go through the Microsoft Windows. I attempted to do that. The printer worked, but the scanner did not work. And I did not get the Brother scanner application on it, which is the Brother Control Center 3. So I said, let me try, instead of the Windows 10 64-bit, let me try the Windows 8 64-bit. And when I did that, also it says built-in driver. So there's, for the Windows 10 and Windows 8, there is no installation software package that's available to download. You have to go through the Microsoft Windows 10 settings, which does not have the scanner control panel. So I could print, but I could not scan. So I said, all right, well, let me just, got nothing to lose here. So again, backtrack, Google, download MFC 8860DN, first link. This time I selected this one, Windows 7 64-bit. Windows 7 64-bit. And I said, oh, here's the difference. Full software package, full software package. It actually has a full driver and software package that I can download. I downloaded it. I installed it. Okay. Once I installed it, the next step is to go down in the lower left. There's a Windows icon start thing. Open that up. And at the top of this, of the panel that opens up, when you click the left lower, you'll have recently added, and it had the application that I wanted, Control Center 3. Control Center 3. I clicked that and it opened it up. This is exactly what I wanted. And so then on the bottom bar, this CC3 button, I made sure that I pinned it to the taskbar. So then, here it is, MFC 8860DN. And this was installed, it's connected via Ethernet. Now my second challenge was configuration. Scan, image. So I wanted PDF, file type PDF. But originally, my only options to where which application, the target applications, was Microsoft Paint and XPS Viewer EP. I didn't want that. I wanted to open up with another application. I said, well, I like to open up my PDFs with the Microsoft Edge browser. So I did add. File type is PDF, application location. said, all right, it's in the different applications. They have different program files. I went to Microsoft folder, which was in between Internet Explorer and Microsoft Office. So the Microsoft folder. Double click that, go to Edge, application, and then the little MS Edge icon with the blue-green swirl there. Then I'm going to do open. And I gave it a name. I gave it MS Edge, so you type in a name. Then hit add, which I already did. So do add. And so then now you see it, you have MS Edge, PDF type, MS Edge PDF type. I want 300 DPI, black and white, and OK. So that configured the scan button. So now when I hit image, so scan image, it's scanning. There's nothing on the scanner bed, but so anyway, so now this is the Microsoft Edge browser, and it opened up the scan that I just scanned. So the question is, okay, where is this file? So the where the file is actually under pictures. It's under this PC, pictures, Control Center 3, and then scan. So what I did was I put a copy on the desktop, and I also pinned it to quick access, and I pinned it to start. Pinned to quick access. I sent to the desktop. You can do create a shortcut. So you want to know where the file is too. So that completed that setup. Now I also have a second printer. It's an MFC 9970 CDW. This is a newer printer, so this was easier to install. I basically went to Google, download Brother MFC 9970 CDW. This is a color printer and scanner. The first link took me to the downloads, and it was easy. I went to Windows 10 64-bit, and with this one, hit OK. So with this one here, Windows 10, this printer, MFC 9970 CDW, it actually comes with a full software package. So I downloaded it, and afterwards it downloaded everything, but it is, the name of its utility is different. Brothers Utilities. So it's in Brothers Utilities, which I pinned to the taskbar. And then to control the color printer, it's Control Center 4, CC4. So it's a different control center. And then that's how you do the scanner. So now I have the Windows 10 PC hooked up to two Brother printer scanners. The MFC 8860DN is 15 years old, but it still prints and scans very well. And then the color printer is over 10 years old. So the reason why this is helpful is This is an old computer. You've got the old printer and scanner, but it's not my primary computer, so I can do parallel processing. So especially scanning sometimes takes a long time, especially if you're scanning multiple pages, higher resolution color. So what I can do is I can feed it into one or both of these printers, and then let that go on the second older computer while I use the newer computer to do other things. So parallel processing is one way to increase productivity and efficiency.